On the far end of the downstairs monument graveyard, you see a cross on the corner over by the green door in the sunlight. I'm not sure you can see it. Also, that is a cross there on that little stone there by the door. We come down here on that pile of rocks. There is a cross panel sitting there. From that cross panel, we go over here slightly here, and you'll see some ruins. You see some images of the cross, the shading there, but that's an old pillar. Sorry, it's an old pulpit from a church that has been broken, and maybe the panels are from that pulpit. Another panel sitting in front of that, of the tree, right there has the six, like the cross with the X in the middle, the Greek symbol. As we move along there, you will see some other cross figures. See some of the purple marble that came from Egypt down there. Also over there in this row here, from the end on the right, the second one has a cross. There. There. Under the tree, there's actually a pile of 3 things there. It looks like Greek writing. And there's also a lot of broken parts, probably of different churches and different entryways that existed during that time period. So the more you look, the more you will see.